జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 4th చాప్టర్ జ్ఞానయోగం 19th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ టీచింగ్ జ్ఞానయోగం టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, whatever the activities, works started, they are known as samarambham, and without having a clear understanding that body is different from Atma, and thinking that body itself is Atma, that delusion is known as Sankalpam. Oh Arjuna, as long as you are in this body, all the activities that you are performing, you should be thinking that I am not doing it for me, but Paramatma making me do it, and all of these activities are Paramatma's service, Paramatma's seva. If you keep thinking like that, that clear understanding behind all of your activities becomes Jnanam. That Jnanam, just like a fire, it burns all of your past sinful deeds and all kind of deeds. Not only that, that Jnanam will make sure in the present, whatever the activities that you are doing, karma, none of those karmas would cause any kind of bondage to you, provided you have this understanding which is known as Jnanam, that is, I am different from body, and I am not doing it for me. This is the Jnanam you should be carrying while you are performing your duties. If anyone does like this, they are considered, regarded as karma yogi by all the great scholars, learned people. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to perform our duties while having an understanding that I am different from body, and these activities I am not doing, and I am not doing it for me. With that understanding, let us try to practice Krishna Paramatma's teachings, and now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kama sankalpa varjitaha jnanagni dagdha karmanam tamahuhu పండితం బుధాః. ఓం. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Oh Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.